And today I am going to tell about the girls empowerment. Then girls empowerment can be defined to the girls power and women's power and their abilities and their rights for choosing something, and it refers to making them powerful. Then I want to say something that when girl is a little, then they are dependent on their father. When girls are married, then they are dependent on their husband. When girls are older, women are older, then they are dependent on their son. Means whole life is dependent. I don't want girls to be like that. I want girls to be independent, stand on your own feet. Independent, stand on your own feet. And when everybody stopped the girls education, then first action was taken by the Savitri Bai, and she calls India's first woman of India's first teacher of women, and she made us accepted that girls can be leader. Then Indira Gandhi and Sarojini Naidu became something. And while seeing the girls condition, some person also raised their voice, like Ram Saran Rai and Savitri Bai's husband. Savitri Bai didn't fear. She didn't think in their mind that I am girl, I can't do anything, and you also don't think. And woman is not only for her husband. Woman is not only for to keep home to feed us. Woman when colony says to their boy to be a great man, society will change. When society will say to their girl to be a great girl and to stand on your feet, then society will change. And how to increase it? That, as you know, that it refers to making women powerful. Then women must be given equal opportunities and equal chance in every type of field, and support women to run their business. That women also can be owner of the business, women also can be manager of the business. They are also superior. And fight against injustice. That we should stand up and fight against injustice and for the women's right. As you know, that who gave you born today, like that woman, she doesn't have right, they don't have any type of right. That's why we should fight. And girls also should understand that thing, I don't have right, I should raise my voice, and voice also should help. If everybody can understand this thing, then automatically it will stop. No one will torture the girl. Domestic violence, it will automatically stop. And parents, don't let the girls go outside, because there is one cause, that negativity. Stop negativity. Because of some boys, girls are unable to go outside. That whenever girls is going outside, then they started torturing him, they started saying bad about him. That thing we have to stop. And some boy do like that, but some boy don't do like that. They have to stop that thing. They can say that if I did like that with your sister, then how would you feel? That thing we have to stop. And while saying that thing, they can also stop that thing. That's like we can stop. And girls also should be powerful for fighting that things. Girls should be powerful, and then they should be able to fight them. That's like we can increase the women empowerment. Thank you for listening to me.